today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my gel X extensions at home. This is perfect if you are trying to get glam on a budget or you just don't feel like going into the salon and spending all that money. You can do this from the comfort of your own home. So the brand I'm going to be using in today's video is called Apres, and everything I'm going to use will be linked down in the description box below. Now, the first step is to prep the nail bed with a filer, whether it's electric or manual. Keep in mind, it's imperative that you follow the steps for nail prepping. If you don't prep your nails properly, your nail extensions are not going to last as long. So as long as you prep correctly, your nails are probably going to last about 2 to 3 weeks. Moving on to the pH bonder, this is a dehydrator, and after nail prep, apply 1 coat of pH bonder to dehydrate and balance the pH level of the nail plate. This is to prepare the natural nail for primer, gel, or polish. Step number 2 is to use primer. This is an acid-free gel primer from Apres, and this is going to prep the nails for the gel. Step number 3, we're going to take the Extend gel. This is a soak off soft gel, and the directions are to apply a thin layer onto the entire nail bed after the nail prep and cure for 30 seconds. The lamp I'm going to be using is from OPI. I'm going to link it down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one hand at a time. This is actually better because the gel that you're applying, and once you cure it, it is a little bit tacky, and so it's just a lot easier and less of a cleanup to do one hand at a time. As I mentioned, we're going to cure the gel that we just applied to our nails for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to use the Apres lamp that it comes with, and this is what's going to cure the extensions to your natural nail for about 10 seconds on each nail. So we're taking that same Extend gel and we're going to start applying the gel to the inside of the extensions. And we're just going to do a light coat throughout the area where your nail is going to naturally fall. Once you've covered the inside surface of the extension, you're going to just take that little bit of remaining that's left on the brush and create a buildup on the extension before you apply it to your nails. This is just going to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles, and it's a very smooth application. There should be no air bubbles after you've applied your nails. I didn't show you this in the video, but when you're fitting your nails for the sizing portion of it before applying the extensions, you want to make sure that whatever size you choose for that nail fits from edge to edge. There should be no natural nail exposed. If any part of your natural nail is exposed, then that just means the nail size that you chose is a little bit too small and you're going to have to go one size up. So again, when you're applying your false nails to fit, you want to make sure that it fits across from one end to the other end of the nail bed. If it doesn't, you want to go one size up. Here you're going to see me grab the Apres lamp once more, and I'm just going to cure all the nails together for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to use the OPI lamp for 2 minutes to finish drying the nails down. Now you want to go ahead and just grab a file. These files came with the Apres system, but you just want to grab a nail file and just go ahead and get the shape that you want. And then I'm taking my electrical buffer and I'm going over the full top of the nail to roughen up that surface. And this is prepping for the nail polish that we're going to be using. It's just to make sure that everything adheres properly and it's more long lasting. Go ahead and pick up that primer once more, and we're just applying that to all of our nails, and this is going to get it ready for the nail polish. Now usually I would do a gel nail polish, but today I'm actually going to go in with this OPI Nail Lacquer, and this is just the regular nail polish from OPI, no gel. And we're going to apply that to all of the nails, and look how beautiful this color is. I just wanted something that was super neutral and it's gonna go with everything, but it just looks so pretty, so I opted for this color. For those of you wondering, this is in the shade Bare My Soul. It's going to be linked down below. Hopefully I can find someone who's selling it. I actually purchased these from Marshall's, but yeah, I'm going to link it down below, and I'm doing 2 coats of this, and then I'm gonna go over top of it with a clear, it's kind of like more of a pinky natural base. I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but it's just a really pretty combination that I came up with, so this is what we're doing today. Look at how pretty this color is. Oh my goodness. I was so in love. I love that bubble gum, that sheer look. I think this is so beautiful. So this is that base I was talking about. It's a natural nail base coat, and it has like a little pink tint to it, but it just went perfect with the nail color. So this is what we went for. So this is the finished look, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think they came out perfect, and I hope that when you give it a try, it's going to be just as good or better. But yeah, this concludes today's video. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.